Alisha, calm down. Your love is what I prefer, what I deserve. I'm yelling. I don't know. YOLO. Let's do it. Okay. Hi, people. How are you doing? I haven't done a YouTube makeup tutorial in so damn long, but let's just get started. Trying to get these flyaways under control. I'm starting with a fresh face. As you can see, I've got this little glow going on. It's because I've already moisturized. So I'm going to start off with SPF because I'm getting old, and this is what you do when you get old. I've been using the Drunk Elephant SPF. I am someone who has combination skin. I get real oily in the T-zone, usually get some breakouts here. This does not break me out. This is the first SPF I've used that does not break me out, and it goes really well with the primer. My favorite primer. If you guys are new here, let me introduce you to Queen Bee. Looks like the same thing. This is the De-Bronzy Primer. This is the SPF. Put on the SPF first. It's got a light tint to it, so it actually evens out my skin tone underneath my makeup. It's the perfect base layer for the De-Bronzy Primer because this actually is supposed to go on with some kind of moisturizer. It's too tacky to go on by itself. Instead of just solely using this with the moisturizer, I've been using it with SPF and it goes on seamlessly. This is my favorite primer. I exfoliate my face so much. I'm a skincare whore, okay? So my face is like 2 shades lighter than the rest of my body. So I love this primer because it puts some color back in and then it helps match my foundation to the rest of my body. It's also super tacky and my foundation clings to it all day. Now I'm going to go on to my foundation. I am not kidding, and I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever. Dalton foundation is my favorite. It's a buildable foundation. It covers all, or it can just cover a little bit, and it matches me perfectly. So this is the light medium shade, Doll Skin Anti-Stress Skin Perfector. Now that I live in an apartment, I've got all the outside noise to go with it, but it's okay. It's a sacrifice I made. Hi, Trash Man. Yeah, we heard you. We heard you before we saw you. I'm over here being hateful. By the way, also using the foundation brush number 9 by Dalton. Okay, now I move on to the eyes. So I let my foundation settle into the skin. Before I add any concealer or any cream contour or anything else on my face, I let my foundation set first. I have found that the concealer, the cream contour, even the powder contour is more easily blended when I've let my foundation sit for a little bit. So I'm going to move on to my eyeballs. Just like always, I prep my eyelids for any kind of shadow. So I go in with a skin color. Damn, Finn. I go in with a shade that's close to my skin color. So this is the palette from Kat Von D. This is the Lyric and Shadow Play palette. And I go in with this on a big old fluffy brush. Maybe I should zoom you guys in for this. I always prep my eyelids with some kind of a powder. It makes the rest of the shadows blend. Like, ugh. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is super affordable. It has every color in the rainbow. It has the perfect shades for the fox eye look, for a smoky brown eye, which is always my go-to. And then these fun colors right here, which I still love playing with. So this, honestly, this palette, if you don't have it yet, what are you waiting for? My neighbors are like, keep it down. Okay, so this is a Dalton brush, Transition Transformer. It's just it's a little dirty because I did this look yesterday, so I didn't want to clean my brushes just yet. Let me live. I'm gonna go in with the shade Silk Cream. Okay, putting this shade right in the crease. So I'm gonna leave my eye open here. And right where that crease is where I'm putting this shade. If you can tell, I've focused most of the color on the outer corner, and then it gets lighter as it goes towards the center and inner eye. That's how I like it. Widens the eye, makes you look more awake. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a fluffier brush because I'm gonna put this next color all over the lid. My black brushes are from Morphe. Morphe is bomb. I'm sure you guys know by now. Morphe. Love you, Morphe. You have no idea. I'm gonna go in with a little bit darker color. This is the shade Mocha right here. And just plopping that all over. And once I get close to the crease, I stop and just begin to blend. I could make it a little bit darker, I could go a little bit dramatic, and I might, but let's just stick to the simplicity of this look and move on to the eyeliner. So I'm just using a normal brown eyeliner. This is from Well People. This is a vegan, all natural brand. Love them. But simple brown eyeliner will do. My brow is here, and I want the liner to look like it's reaching out to touch my brow. So that's where you go. I just do a little straight line. And this can be messy, people, because we're gonna smoke it out. So please, for the love of God, do not sit here for 20 minutes trying to make it perfect. It's pointless to even try. See, it's a little messy. That's okay though. We want it a little messy. Now I've got this Detail Dazzler. This is just a fine, yes. Sorry, there's a hair. I'm gonna go in with Central Park. I would go in with this, but it's kind of a purple and I really want to stick to brown. You just smoke this out. I've got a little hand towel. Have a hand towel on deck. Wipe off the excess. You want this to be really light, really pretty, really smoky, and just fuzzy, like blurred. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a little chunky, getting Cleopatra vibes. It's not a bad thing. I'm gonna go grab a tissue, kind of clean that up. You can use tape as well if you wanted to, but you can also do it without, you know? So pretty, so easy. So let's pop on some mascara. I don't know if you guys are following me. If you're not following me on Instagram, you gotta, I mean, I don't want to be like, you shouldn't, huh? But I am funny as hell on my Instagram stories. Instagram followers, will you please drop a comment right now? Just let new people know that I really am. Like, I'm funny, okay? Let me just be honest. If you've been watching my Instagram stories, you've seen this new Bite Beauty Upswing Mascara. It is holy. It's like falsies in a tube. So I'm wiping off the excess, and I do wiggle to separate the lashes. No one likes clumpy lashes. I mean, if you're no one, then change your name. Go ahead, change your name. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, so moving on to the rest of my face. Concealer, Dalton, once again, I use the shade Light. This concealer is Liddy. It can cover up tattoos. Like, it don't play. Okay. Oh, Morphe Blender. This is the best. Okay. I just love that it has this flat side. Okay. Adrian used to hate when I made that sound. TMI? TMI? Okay, well. Hey Siri, what's that song that goes, She Hates Me?
It's She Hates Me by Puddle of Mud.
Can you play that, please? Oh. I need to set my concealer. Hold on, Jesus. Hold on, Jesus. Hold on. He f***ing hates me. Okay, I'm sorry. What was that I had used? Alisha Translux Extraordinary Siete. It's from my Ipsy box. It's dirty. It is what it is. Translucent setting powder, baby. Use what you want to use. Okay? Can we get back to business, Alisha? Have you gotten it out of your system? No. Okay, now, if you have been sitting here, like I have, taking your time with your makeup, it's time to freshen up. It's time to liven up that foundation. So, I'm going to go in with some setting spray before I do my cream contour. It just helps blend cream contour so much better. So, this is the cream contour stick from ABH. Fawn is the vibe. Hold, please. I'm thinking. Boom, 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 boom. Angled brush. Let's get it. Blend up. You don't want to drag your skin down, baby. You don't need any more wrinkles than you already have. Who am I talking to? Me? He f***ing hates me. Bitch, I'm gonna get sued. YouTube is gonna be like, well, that's a copyright. I'm going through some things, okay? I have emotions right now. Just let me play some music, YouTube. Why are you trying to sue me? Anyways, where was I? So this is also a holy grail of mine. I have had this for years because it lasts forever, and I use this nearly every day, so whatever. Vlogger Bronzer by Morphe. This is what I'm going to use to set my cream contour. Just a little bit. Really, like look, pat, pat, boom. Okay, you can add more if you want to, but if you start off with too much, honey, how you gonna take that off? A makeup wipe? You gonna take off your whole face because you couldn't just do a little pat, pat? Now, I have been using a cream blush. Who am I? I got this like a month ago. Smashbox LA Lights. I can't find it in stock. Smashbox, can you please? I'm begging you. And so is everyone else. Okay, anyway, so really love this blush. So this is my prissy bitch face. Ready? Really brings out the apples on my cheeks, as you can see. So it's probably giving me wrinkles to do that. Apply blush 2 fingers away from your nose. If you get it a little bit too close, you're gonna look like a doll. Unless that's the vibe you're going for, then do that. Who cares? Oh, the back of it has this little blending thing, see? I guess I could add a highlighter if I wanted to, but I really don't. So let's move on to the lips and then we're done. Okay, I'm going in with KKW Beauty Nude 2 Liner. Sorry. So weird. Now I'm going in with MAC Angel. Yep, Angel. See, it looks a little crazy, we know. I'm gonna blend. I've been into gloss lately, people. So this is, ooh, what is this? High Shine number 7, High Shine Lip Gloss, Sparkling Rose. It's so pretty. Okay, sorry. Woo! One more time with the setting spray. Hit me! Oh, by the way, didn't do anything with my brows because they have been microbladed. If you live in the Austin area, go see Honey Brow down in New Braunfels. Holy mother of pearl. Like, I never have to do my brows again. That's not true. For a year, I never have to do my brows again, and it is amazing. I just cannot. I can't deal. Okay, stop being dramatic. Oh, anyway, so we're done. Foxy eye, little smoky lid, little shon, a little hon, a little. Who, me? Ooh! It's my birthday month. We popping off. Okay. So that's how I do this lip, people. So easy. Everything I use is linked down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, first of all, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Please don't hold me to any kind of high standard because my standards are real, like they're like bottom of the screen. They chilling right here. We like it down here because I got friends in low places. La 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 la. We just needed that moment. Okay. Sorry. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. I love you. Thank you for watching. You guys are the best.